Morning. It's day, I don't know, last day.
Aww.
Last full day in Korea. Today we're going to Garosu-gil and Myeongdong later.
Magbaklaan lang kami. Chill, coffee, shop.
Yes. Ngayon masyadong malamig today. My girlfriend. We're here. And then walking towards Garosu-gil.
That's right.
Garosu-gil. Welcome to our home. Gusto mong tumira dito sa susunod na buhay ko. Ito ako titira. Wala kayong magagawa. Ay, makaka-copyright. This is what you see when you want to go to Garosu-gil. Garosu-gil Road. Maghanap lang kami ng cafe.
I wanna be in a cafe right now.
Plastic surgery ulit.
I think I need plastic surgery.
No, saan banda? Diba dati gusto mo ng jawline? O, pakita mo ngayon. Oh, pagka natamaan. Aray! Dati you want smaller nose. O, pakita mo yung nose mo. Papayat ka lang kasi, girl. Gusto mo lagi mag-plastic surgery. Magpapayat ka lang. Iliit lang.
Yun yung recommendation pala. To everyone out there who wants to change how they look. Just lose weight.
You gotta ask Ning, charot. Pagka dito ka sa Korea, tumirat, mapipilitan ka maglakad.
Maghahanap pa rin kami ng cafe.
Here is okay. 8 seconds. Walang mali. Right now we're at Gentle Monster. All you have to do is pay now. The price is a secret. Why judge nyo ako? Doon manggagaling yung sunglass. Charot. Now we're going out. Yan. Siya yung subject. Tong na mo. Outfit of the day is wearing my coat. UNIQLO fleece. Pantalon. Ay, di pala. Naka-skirt pala yung babaeng to. I'm wearing UNIQLO. UNIQLO. Timberland shoes. These are nice boots. Ito na kami sa Myeongdong. Or shop. So, this is Myeongdong.
We're back. It's our house.
Medyo maraming tao. Tapos Sabado pa. We're going to Olive Young and Boots.
That's the pakay here. Beauty stuff.
Yes.
Which you could find anywhere, honestly. But, you know, we gotta go to Myeongdong.
We have street food also. That's street food number 1. Pagkuma, bibili siya ng foods.
Ito yung chicken na hanap ko.
Chicken na hanap.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime.
Tom Boots.
Hanap kami. Actually, hindi namin hinahanap. Pupunta kami dun sa lagi namin kinakainan na place. And it's here. Not the 7-Eleven. Ito. I'm at Olive Young, and it looks like it got bigger. Are you buying something?
Parang I'm not.
This is a big place. Has everything. She tired. Dami namin binili. Tapos na kami mag-shopping for other people. We're at Hongdae. We're here at Chu, and on the other side it's Stylanda.
I just call me a taxi, 'cause I'm into Maxi, and I ain't down for that. I'm way too over that. I pass around a rotation. I got a 40 as my chaser, and I'm down for that. And it got me thinking.
Nandito kami sa Hongdae. Walking around. Shopping. Look at the couples, my God.
They're such couples.
We see couple number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not a couple. Charot. Crowd sila kasi may kumakanta. Pero hindi natin titignan.